Hi Raleigh, this is Scott Walker with Impact Lead SEO. I spoke with Sylvia and she said you might be interested in this video to showing you how you could increase getting leads and stealing them from SafeLight. So I usually just go over your website and then I go over some other services that I provide. And if you like what you see, that's great, and if not, no harm, no foul. So starting on your website here, I do really like how clean and professional it looks, but one thing I really recommend for you is to add more content to your website. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. You're currently at 315. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords, which mobile auto glass repair in Utah, that's a good keyword. But there are always a lot more keywords in here that you might not think of. And so I use a third-party tool called Ahrefs. It kind of shows me your analytics and what you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. This is on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up while also balanced. You're currently at 0 on both because of your referring pages and domains. And if you don't know what those are backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via a clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure you're staying relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. You're being indexed for 100 keywords, and you're getting about 40 people to your website each and every month. And it looks like, based off of the keywords, Perkins Auto Glass and Perkins Glass are your main two. Windshield Replacement Bountiful, your fifth. That's good. So yeah, you are getting some buyer intent content going to your website, but like this one right here, there's 400 searches a month. You're on the third page of Google for it, so if you started just ranking for that one, that could be a huge increase in business over the next few months. Looking at windshield replacement in Salt Lake City, you always get your Google ads right up top. And, this is where I have actually helped many auto glass companies increase their revenue, especially right here, and profits. And the reason for that is if you look at the keyword windshield replacement Salt Lake City, you definitely want to say windshield replacement Salt Lake City in your ad. This is the closest one, saying it's Utah windshield replacement, but that's not the keyword. So the more closely related your ad is to the different types of keyword searches, the way better off you're going to be for those keywords. And so that's how you optimize the ads here. Then the landing page on that, if I were to click on one of these, I don't want to because I don't want to charge them. But if I were to land on one of their landing pages, there should be a couple things on their website. It should be your phone number, click to call, what you do, where you are, maybe a form submit, and then as you go down the page, just reenactments of call to actions of contact, call, contact, call, contact, call. That's the best way to do it. The landing page should have one function, and that is to contact you. It shouldn't be your website where they can click all over the place and then leave eventually. And then it goes into your Google Business Profiles. It's okay that you're not here right now. There's lots of ways to get here. Biggest one is reviews that I've found, and I have a cool little trick to help you get more reviews from your customers. And then also making sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet, so you don't mislead Google. And then posting branded, geotagged, or geolocated photos weekly is really beneficial because that shows Google you're growing your business organically. The last thing is citations, which is your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp. And that's super helpful because Google's like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more. And that's not just your local area, but your surrounding areas as well. And then being just in these two things, you get about 60 to 70% of the traffic based off of keywords if you're ranking just right here. The rest goes to your website. Right here, we're looking at Two Bros Auto Glass, one of your top competitors. If you look at their website, they don't have too much content on here either. Let's see, 760. And so by having more content with those better buyer intent keywords, those authoritative backlinks and citations, a percentage of these total volumes, 1,000 of them, are going to start going to your website, and this is monthly, instead of your competitors. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So I really hope this is beneficial for you. Feel free to reach out and we could set up a discovery call. And if not, no harm, no foul. Either way, we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.